discussing assignment number 38, Geography with Educami Telegram channel पे, where I give questions, student write answers and evaluate. And this particular question is, define mantle plume and explain its role in plate tectonics. This was a 2018 PYQ from the GS paper. Now, ये question, define water mantle plumes and the role in plate tectonics. It is definitely a deeper conceptual question. In fact, as geography optional students तो ये पता होता है. But GS geography में this is a bit more deeper question. The question was not about what are mantle plumes and explain. It has a very important side part to it which says explain the role it plays in plate tectonics. What I find students wrote on was plumes cause volcanism, plumes cause basalt lava accumulations, plumes are responsible for hotspot activity like Hawaiian Islands, that plumes have the source of magma from deep from the core mantle boundary. These are very, very fluid lava. These are facts about what mantle plumes are. Mantle plumes are examples of intra-plate volcanism. But यहाँ पर question का जो trick part है कि tell us what role it plays in plate tectonics. Essentially, इसका दो part बनेगा. One is what role does it play in plate tectonics as a process. Second is, what role does it play in plate tectonics as a theory? As a process, the mantle plumes, they are responsible for the initiation of convection cells. जो initiation होता है divergent boundary का development, the initiation होता है sea floor spreading. It happens from mantle plumes and hotspots. Some of you, if you have read about triple junctions, ये mantle plumes के ऊपर ही बनते हैं. So the breakup of African Rift Valley started with a mantle plume somewhere near Afar Junction at Djibouti. वैसे ही the lot of mantle plume locations along the Atlantic Mall also. तो ये एक important part है that they're part of the genesis of convection cells. They're part of genesis of the sea floor spreading process. The second part is what role do they play in tectonics theory? The answer is that the evidences of tectonics theory. Because as volcanic islands pile up and volcanic features pile up, by tracking their locations, their age, we can know how plates have moved on the Earth's surface. This was the question, and you should write this question and post it on Telegram channel. I'll make sure I evaluate and give you my feedback. Geography with Educami for answer writing in geography and environment, both optional and GS.